Hi, my name's Neil. Today I'm going to show you how to make some absolutely delicious apple crumble muffins. In a big bowl, combine 225 grams of spelt flour, 150 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 100 grams of ground almonds and 30 grams of oats. Give everything a quick mix. Then drizzle in 200 grams of melted butter, combine it with the dry ingredients with a spoon first, then use your hands to bring everything together. Press the crumble mixture into the muffin mould, like this. About 3/4 of the crumbly mixture will fill 12 muffin moulds. The rest will be needed later. One small jar of apple compote will be needed for the filling. Place a tablespoon of apple compote in the middle of each mould. To finish, use the rest of the dough and crumble it over the top. Place the tray in the middle shelf of the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. After taking the muffins out of the oven, let them cool down for 15 minutes. Then carefully scoop them out of the mould and place on a plate. Serve with some vanilla ice cream.
Delicious.